What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today we're going for a test drive at a 1964 Chevelle. It does have believed to be 350 under the hood on this one, power steering. Got the upgraded brakes in the front. We've already done a walk around on it, so check that out. Just type in 1964 Chevelle, Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every single day. We're here to help you out. MapleMotors.com has financing and shipping information as well. Close to 100 detailed pictures, and all of our inventory is located on that site too. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's go for a ride. Look around the interior before we take off. Go ahead, take the poll. Something we like to do. Do you think the horn works on this one? Show you the miles. I can't stand behind it. It's a 64 model. It's showing 28,000. The dash is nice and pretty. Interior's in pretty good shape. The only thing is the seat's got one little split. Well, big split right here in the middle. The rest of it's in decent shape. Same with the back seat. Package tray headliner's a little bit stretched out there. It needs to be tightened up. Go ahead, start her up. Try the wipers. They work. Try the radio. It does work. I don't know, I keep putting it in a different setting, but it definitely works. That one works. Air does not work on this car. And horn, it's clicking. It's not doing anything. All right, let's hit the road. Got my seatbelt on. We're going to take off down the road. Anything that I see that this car may need, I will let you know. That way when you get here, you know exactly what you're buying. We're not here to hide anything from you. See? It's not warm yet. Try this again. I'm gonna 2-foot it till she gets warm. Got a little bit of slack in the steering, but as soon as I turn there, start pulling that way and that way. We're going straight as an arrow. I mean, straight down the road. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. It is working. Let's see if our kickdown's hooked up. Kickdown is not hooked up in this car. It is pulling decently strong. We're gonna try the brakes before we get too close to anybody. We're stopping fast. Brakes feel great. I don't need to 2-foot it now, it's working. Staying idling on its own. The power steering's nice and smooth on this one. Literally turn it with one finger. Turn signals are red and they're popping out right in the dash. Gas gauge is floating around a half a tank. Turn signals are not kicking off by themselves. You have to manually cut them off. See, it's still going. Both sides are working. It's a good cruiser car here. I'm gonna pull in this parking lot here. What we're gonna do is get some outside shots, drive by the camera, listen to the car, see what it sounds like. And you can see all of my gear below in the description. Should definitely check that out if you're interested in making similar videos. All right, let's get these shots. Alrighty, got y'all set up on my helmet cam. I did notice the power steering is still leaking a little bit of fluid. So you're gonna have to fix the power steering fluid. Could be the little hose up there. I did try tightening it up earlier. Another thing I noticed, I'm gonna have to 2-foot it. Here's the reason. Put it in gear, dies. Needs a carburetor adjusted. Seems like it's running good. I mean, the cam sounds good and everything, but I'm just gonna 2-foot this test drive and I'll be perfectly fine. Probably idle it up a hair. I don't have anything to turn the idle screw up here, so otherwise I would already done it. So when we get back, I may jump on that. All right. Car's great for cruising around. Definitely not a race car by any means. Turn on this street right here. It's got a pretty decent sized speed bump, and you can listen for rattles, kind of give you an idea the best I can on suspension through a video. So I'm gonna go ahead and shift through the gears. Speed bump's right here. Couldn't hardly feel it. I was kind of paying attention to this guy that just pulled out in front of me. So. And we're gonna go this way. This is cut through. Our lot's literally right there. Oh no, look at this big puddle. I'm gonna creep through it. Yeah, I think if I just idled the hair, or turn the idle up just a hair, it'll quit doing that. It is pretty low. But we try to be as honest as we can here. That way you know everything about them when you get here. I hope you enjoyed the test drive, guys. you have any other questions, check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, shipping. Ship these cars all over the nation. We do our best to describe them here. You can watch this video, watch the walk around video, point out flaws in the inside, the trunk, and underneath. And look at our detailed pictures. You'll know everything about this car before you make the trip down here. Last but not least, hit that subscribe button. It helps us out greatly when you subscribe, and when you share these videos, it really gets us out there. I do appreciate y'all. Thanks again.